Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by placing the glasses on a soft cloth, lenses down. This protects finishes. Once set, examine the frame type. Full rim holds lenses differently than rimless, so you know where to apply pressure. Use a small screwdriver for screws or warm the frame gently for plastic rims. This relaxes material and prevents cracks. Make sure to keep all screws and parts in a small tray. You're starting with safety and clarity. These first steps prevent damage and make the next moves precise. You now remove the old lenses carefully. First, loosen any retaining screws just enough to free the lens. If the frame is plastic, warm it slightly with your hands or a hairdryer on low to avoid cracking. This makes extraction smoother. Once loosened, support the lens with one hand and press from the inside out toward the open edge. Steady pressure, no twisting. After the lens pops free, place it on the cloth. These controlled motions prevent chipping and preserve alignment. You finish by aligning the new lens. Insert the top edge first, then press the bottom into the groove while keeping the optical center over the nose bridge. Once seated, tighten screws in small increments to avoid misalignment. If the frame is plastic, warm briefly to ease seating. Clean fingerprints and check fit from multiple angles. If the lens is loose, warm the frame slightly to tighten. If it won't seat, inspect for debris or flash. Remove foreign bits. Then repeat placement. This ensures proper vision and durability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.